Oh, the flowers. These flowers, Mirabella. Are they pretty? Oh, you want to look outside? You want me to show the plants outside or what? Oh, how they've been coming along? So here are some of the plants that we've been growing right here. There's some more. And these are squash plants, zinnias, and marigolds. Here are some of the other ones. Sunflowers have been growing more. Oh! Oh, those bouquets look like they're like two different kinds of flowers.
Yeah, they have different ones next to them. You have the white ones, and then you have the, I don't know if I should trim some of these down. Or just...
You like those roses? Yeah. Are they nice? Oh, don't grab at the vase. Oh, you'll put it back now. Oh, there's a bubble. You're tired, huh? You want to have some of the pizza while it's warm? What do you think of the pizza? Oh. You want an apple? Smile. Look at mommy. Where's mommy? Look at mommy. What is the teddy bear doing? Oh, are you trying to get the teddy bear to express its emotions? And the cat. Stuffed animal cat. Is that Grandma Bear wearing your new shirt? That your daddy got you? So these days, Mirabella likes to dress her teddy bears with her clothes. She thinks it's really cute. Do you want some flautas? I just took a nap. Do you want to eat something? Something else you want? Yeah, there's something else you want? Over there? Putting yourself on? Want help? Just looking through the little book after taking a shower? Yeah? Is the shower good? Did you like being strolled around the neighborhood? Well, I think when her hair's wet, it helps her cool off. It was warmer earlier today.
Well,
so
yeah, I drank something cold.
Oh!
But it's cool outside now. It was hot, yeah.
yeah, it's pretty warm. Hmm. Are you trying to swaddle cat? Hmm?
Okay.
You like that? What is that? It's it's like a little owl.
Oh!
Yeah, owl.
Yeah.
And that is it's like a little baby or something.
Ah!
Yeah. Here, let's go change your diaper, okay? You wanna go in the room so we can go change your diaper? Hmm? Is that your answer? Does it feel good?
You feel good, the sand on your toes? Huh? Yeah.
Back to putting sand on mommy? We just hang out here at the playground. It's just like that, and it's near the 7-Eleven. I got like this ginseng tea drink, and it's nice in the shade, so it's nice. Mirabella's enjoying the sand. She was putting sand all over my pants, and it's okay.
Ow!
It's okay, you don't gotta repeat that. You're gonna go to the library, return some books. Yeah. So.
Ah!
Shapes. It's like a plus sign. You gonna do the shapes now? And next one. Try again. Try another shape. No, not that one. Try. Oh, yeah, that one. And that's the same exact shape. You could skip it for now, or take the other one out. The purple. Purple goes with purple. You already put that shape in. That's a triangle. Where's the triangle? Oh, yeah, that's the triangle. And that's another triangle. Green triangle. The other green triangle. Yeah, because there's two of each. Where's the circle? Oh, you're going to do it again. Okay, go ahead. Triangle. Goes in the triangle place. No. Try again. Keep trying. It's okay. Yeah. Yay. What's the next sheet? It's the star shape. Yellow star. Where's the yellow star place? Where's the star go? Where does the star go? Yep, that's right. Go ahead, try it there. Yay! that's another star. You just put a star. You could put it to the side, or you could pull the other star out to put it there.
Ow!
Yeah. No, that's the plus sign place. No, the yellow star's already in there. There's only a spot for one yellow star only. Yeah. Mhm. That's right.
Learning time.
You want to enjoy the summer while it's still sunny, huh? It's a kitty cat. Yeah. We had a pizza and I returned the books to the Alviso library. Got to get some more of those books so you can look at them, even though we have a lot of books. It's nice and sunny, and you've been getting up earlier now. It's different. You want to get back in? Here, you want us to get in? Here, I'll get in, and then I'll help you.